Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to online Quran lesson. Dear student, in this lesson we will learn the method of the namaz. First of all, we will read this. Let's start. Inni wajjahtu wajhiya lilladhi fatara as-samawati wal arda حنيفا وما أنا من المشركين. And then bring hands, palms open up to ears and place thumbs behind earlobes and say Takbir, Allahu Akbar. And then two hands will be kept in this way, left hands in the lower position, lower, and right hands on the left hand, it means upper position. And then we will read Sana Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghayruk أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم تسمية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And then we will read Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha will be read in every rakat. Let's start. Surah Fatiha. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. سورة إخلاص قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. تكبير Allahu Akbar. Keep your hand. We can read it. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. We can read it 3 times and then we read Sami Allahu liman hamida. Rabbana lakal hamd. Allahu Akbar. Go down to a kneeling position by placing both hands on knees, lowering oneself slowly and easily onto knees, then touch the head upon the ground so that flowing 7 body parts are in contact, 2 palms, 2 knees, toes of both feet. And then we read 3 times Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, Allahu Akbar. In the 3 rakat after or 4 rakat like Zuhar, Asr, Isha, for the remaining rakat you stand up for the remaining rakat after Tashahhud. On the other hand, if it is 2 rakat, for example Fajr, Salah, keep sitting and after the recite Darud. Let's start. Tashahhud. At-tahiyatu lillahi was-salawatu wat-tayyibatu assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Durud Sharif. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Dua. Rabbi ja'alni muqimas salati wa min zuriyati Rabbana wa taqabbal dua. Rabbana اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب. Now turn your face on the right saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and turn your face on the left saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thanks a lot. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe my channel.